Okay, this is my second microwave hot process. It's already about 140 degrees, and it was a little solid when I stuck it in there. But I set my microwave on 5 minutes, and then I just stand here and watch it so I won't have a bubble up. Oh yeah, I meant to set soap mold up under it, so in case it did, it would catch it. So let me go get that. See how it's bubbling up? Oh, see how it's bubbling up now? See, so I'll stop it and let it calm back down, and then I'll start it back up. I'm sorry for the shaking. I don't know how people record from their phones and don't have a lot of shaking. Okay, I'll start it back up. The last time I took the film off, saran wrap off, and I would stir it. Let me pause. Go. Okay, had to stop. Sorry. Whoops, finger in the way. Okay, this time I put that cake mold up under it in the event it does bubble over. I should have stirred it while I had it turned off, but I didn't, so I'm letting it cook a little more before I decide to open it up and stir it. Okay, that looks like it was at the top, and it was, so I'm letting it go down some, and I'm going to cook it a little more before I stir it and take a temperature. Right now I'm at 2 minutes. Oh, it's bubbling up again, so I'm going to take it out and stir it. Okay, I don't know what's going on with this, but it has volcanoed a couple of times, and I had to keep stirring. Oops, sorry. I think I've got it calmed down, maybe because I stick blended it. I don't know, but it was wanting to come out of this bowl. Hopefully as the temperature goes back down, it'll calm down. I don't know, this is a new recipe, not that it matters, because all of this is experimental as far as the microwave part goes. So let's see what's going on. It seems to be calm right now, so let me pop it back in the microwave after I take the temperature again. Okay, right now it's 199, so I'm going to stick it back in there again. Okay, we're back in the microwave. Oh, I'm glad I did this on my phone for one reason. At least my phone has a pause button. We're foaming back up. Okay. Let me stop it. See what's going on. When I pull it back out again, I'm going to test and see for active lye, and see what's going on. I'm trying to debate if I'm going to leave it this color or if I want to add some coloring to it. Coming up again. Oh, this stuff is really hot. Okay, I'm going to take it out and test. Okay, let's do the drop test. See how much more I need to cook it. I don't see anything. Well, just for my peace of mind, I'm gonna let this just sit here, or I might throw it back in the microwave for one half a minute or something and see what goes on from there. Okay, I test it again and I see a little pink in this one, and after that sit there I saw some pink in that. So I'm gonna microwave again and see if I can get rid of the rest of the lye. It's nothing new. Back in the microwave again. And I'm gonna see. I'll probably do it this whole minute and yeah, I've had a minute and 15 seconds on there. So I'm gonna do it off and on through that whole time. And hopefully that'll be enough to cook the rest of the lye. Keep an eye on this because no, I don't want it to bubble. Can't tell if that's just the heat from inside raising up the saran wrap. And yeah, let it go down a little bit. I'm doing a new scent as well as this new recipe. I'm going to try Moscato. And as it seeps on down into the pan, oh, I added a little beer too to give it a little bit more moisture. Even though this recipe is at 40% water, I saw one of the soapers say it doesn't hurt to add a little extra water or whatever liquid you're using. Okay, we're back up. Ooh. Stop it. Let it calm down. I got 24 more seconds. And we'll see what we get again when I test. My microwave is on full power, and I think it's 1,000 watt. Let that saran wrap sink back in, and I'll have 14 more seconds. Guys, it's awful humid here today. I was gonna do some bath bombs, but maybe I'll do the bubble bars. I tried it. I like the way they smell, but I don't know, I hadn't tested it. But right now, okay, I'm gonna put you on pause again. Look how the saran wrap has sank all the way to the bottom. Well, not all the way to the bottom, but you know, sank in. And when I release some of that, hope it don't burn me while I'm watch it pop back up. Oh, I know. Ooh. trying to add no more. I'm not good enough. Oh, that's that. Whew. Oh, I didn't know this thing was still recording. I'm sorry. Oh, well, putting a spritz of alcohol on, and always my glitter. This is it, with a big blank spot in between of the phone being put down. But this is Moscato microwave hot process.